Let's see what is bruxism, which is also known as teeth grinding or teeth clenching habit. Many people don't realize that they have it because it mostly happens during the sleep.
While you're asleep, your jaw starts clenching like it's fighting a war nobody asked for.
Bruxism is a habit where a person grinds or clenches their teeth unconsciously. It can happen at night, while sleeping, or during the day due to stress or concentration. The other causes are improper bite or misaligned teeth, high caffeine intake. These are some of the causes which can cause the bruxism.